These days, small business is big business. Did you know, for example, that there are over 30 million small businesses in the United States alone? That's a lot of businesses. And they employ nearly 60 million people. That's a lot of people. And it's the same story in the UK, Canada, Australia, and all over the world. So do you run one of these businesses? Maybe you're the plumber who fixes the leaks. Hi there. Or maybe you're the local builder who builds them straight and true. Hi there. Or maybe you're the dentist who gives their patients the Hollywood smile. Open wide, you won't feel a thing. Whatever you do, I'm going to explain how you can be top dog in your town. Howdy. Sound like a plan? Great. Come on then, let's get started. You're not up against millions and millions of businesses, just the businesses in your area. Maybe that's a handful of businesses, possibly a couple of dozen at most. But however many it is, you just need to start following these simple steps to start getting results. Your starting point is local listings. Think Google My Business and Bing Places. Just sign up, fill in all the details, and then validate your account. Next, start getting reviews. Reviews are really important, especially in Google. Don't believe me? Well, we did some research recently on local business. We looked at hundreds of local B2B websites, and we found that the top ranking websites had double the number of reviews that lower ranking websites had. So how do I get reviews, Tony? Just ask. That's all you have to do. Start with your best clients first. You're probably on first name terms with them anyway. Next up, NAP citations. Sounds complicated, but it's easy. NAP just stands for name, address and phone. There are loads of sites where you can get listed and include your NAP details. These are important because Google refers to these types of authority websites to validate the data about your business in its database. So it's important that you have a consistent NAP profile in all of these websites. You can use sites like Yelp or Yext if you're in the US. If you're in the UK, you can use sites like Yell or 118. There's a link below the video that will take you to a list of NAP citations for different countries. Some are free and some do have a fee to be included. Just go for the basic listing and try to get a link back to your website. All you need to do is slowly but surely build up your NAP citations month after month. Elementary, Tony. Next up, create more service related pages. Do me a favour. Go to the services page on your website. Do you list all of the services you offer? Yes, Tony. Okay, now, do you have an individual page for each service? No, Tony. Okay, well you might want to address that. The problem is you're in danger of spreading yourself too thinly. Google wants to take people to exact pages, not a set of bullet points. And this is another thing that we found in our research. The top ranking websites had twice as much content, twice as many pages as the lower ranking websites. I mean, think about it. If you were a local builder and somebody phoned you up to ask about your services, what would you do? Do you have a chat with them, ask them about their requirements and tell them all about the services that you offer? Or do you say something along these lines? Welcome to our services. We offer a full range of building services, including extensions, conversions, refurbishments, bathroom and kitchen installations, also attics, basements and garage builds. I know which one I'd prefer. So write down all of the services that you provide and create a page for each one of them and make them nice and long with loads of lovely content for Google to index. You know all this stuff. It's either in your hard drive, in your outbox or just up in your head. Basically, you just need to switch it